Good afternoon, grade 8s. Welcome to the live memo for class test 1C, and we will jump straight into question 1.1. Question reads, express each number below as a product of its prime factors in exponential form. So in the previous live memo for class test 1B, we discussed that statement, express each number below as a product of its prime factors in exponential form, and what it means. So we will put, for 1.1.1, we will take 154 and we are going to put it into our ladder and apply the ladder method to then break up 154 into a product of its prime factors. So the key phrase or part of the sentence is that over the product of its prime factors. So taking a composite number like 154 and then breaking it up into its prime factors only. And we will do that by choosing, of course, the smallest prime number that can divide into the number on the left there, which is 154. So that, of course, will be the number 2. And 154 divided by 2 is 77. And then for 77, the smallest prime number that can go into 77 is in fact 7. And of course 77 divided by 7 is 11. And the smallest prime number that can go into 11 is 11. And that will be 1. So 154 can be written as 2 times 7 times 11. In other words, the prime factors that are all on the right there. And have we answered question 1.1? Yes, we have. So we can move on to 1.1.2. And that is now for 294. Then once again, the smallest prime number that can divide into 294 is 2. So 294 divided by 2 is 147. And the smallest prime number that can go into 147 is, let's try 3. It is 3. And that will, of course, give us 49. So the reason I didn't try 2 with 147 is because 147 is not an even number. So 2 will not be able to divide into 147, or in other words, 147 is not divisible by 2. Right, then 49, the smallest prime number that can divide into 49, it would be 7. And just to show you, it will not be 3. The answer there is a decimal number, so that is not what you want. So 49 divided by 5, of course, will also not work. So the next one is 7. And that, of course, gives you 7. So 49 divided by 7 is 7. And then we have 7, and then we have 1. So 294 is equal to 2 times 3 times 7 times 7. And in exponential form, it would be 2 times 3 times 7 to the power 2. 1.1.3, we are needing to do the same then for 216. So for 216, it will be 2. 216 divided by 2 is 108. Divided by 2 is 54. Divided by 2 is 27. And that, of course, then will now be 3. 27 divided by 3 is 9. And that will 3 again. 9 divided by 3 is 3. That's 3, and that's 1. Right, so that means that 216 is equal to, that would be 2 times 2 times 2, and then another 3 3s. And in exponential form, of course, we've got 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 3 to the power of 3.